friends, welcome back. It's Carrie from Stretch Tea TV. This is your Saturday stretch. Welcome to all of my subscribers. I thank you so much for your support. If you're not a member of our community yet, just click this little button here in the corner to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free for you, and make sure that you don't miss anything, especially my live Q&As on Saturday mornings, where you can ask me any questions at all about resistance stretching and get my special insights on how to help you use this channel to make you feel younger. Now, today's stretch is about 2 minutes long, which means you can do it right now and you have no excuses. But if 2 minutes isn't enough for you, I'll actually be filming an extended workout right after this. It's about 20 to 30 minutes and it's related to this exact stretch. So if you are interested in that, the link is down in the description box below. All right, let's get started. You may have noticed that I sit on my heels a lot when I stretch. Now, that wasn't always possible. My quads used to be like solid rocks, and like not in the strong kind of way. Many of my students think that if they just keep sitting like this, that it's actually going to change their range of motion, and it won't. It does feel good to try though, because it's actually a resistance stretch. So today I'm going to show you how to make this an active resistance stretch so you can use it to build strength and increase the range of motion in your quads, which are these guys right here. Okay, so let's try it out. Get into a kneeling position. Make sure that you have good cushion under your knees, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna move like this from up here to here and back, but hold on for just a second because I want to explain something to keep you safe. In resistance stretching, you always want to be moving, so you're not actually going to hold at the bottom, especially if it hurts and you don't have full range of motion. You always want to be resisting the whole time too, and most of the time gravity in this one is your resistance, but you also want to be able to come back up to your starting position, okay? So as we go into this stretch, you'll want to really listen to your body and only go as far as you can and still come back to upright without using your hands, okay? So you won't go all the way down if you have to push yourself back up. So very slowly and gently, start sitting back. As soon as you start to feel a little unsteady, come back up, okay? Notice that I am bending at my hips. Let's do this a couple times. Now in the extended video, we'll look into things like if your knees hurt when you're going into this stretch, or if you can't bend at your knees all the way to get down all the way. We'll also look into like if you can't feel the stretch at all, like if you're hypermobile and you can like go all the way down, right? We'll do a bit of problem solving, and then we'll come back and try this one again after we remove the common barriers. This is a burny one, isn't it? Now don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button in the lower right hand corner of your screen, and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. You'll get notified for that live on Saturday too. Oh, boy, that's good. You're probably feeling pretty good and saying to yourself, I really should do this every day. Well, you know, my friends, you are in luck because I just created a new workout program called 2x2. It's 2 minutes of stretching for 2 weeks to help you learn some really simple but super effective resistance stretches. So click this video to learn more. And if you've already done that program, then I hope to see you in the extended workout. All right, my friends, my time is up, and I thank you for yours. Have a great week.